So first thing we want to talk about is what is the opportunity? Now, the US government is the single biggest purchaser of goods and services in the entire world. Now, they spend over $600 billion every year, and that number is just going up each year, increasing each year, and they buy just about everything that you could think of. The Small Business Administration actually sets goals for the government agencies that they have to meet. And what that means is roughly 23% of spending has to go to small businesses. So you heard me right, 23% of spending. So that's usually around $150 billion a year, because a lot of times the agencies also exceed those standards. Okay. What we have so far is the government is the single biggest purchaser of goods and services in the world. And it just gave you a thumbs up, right? That is a thumbs up. Number two is that the government has to buy from small businesses. Now, this always blew me away whenever I saw this figure. And it's part of why I'm doing what I'm doing now, is that less than 1%, and last time I ran the numbers, it was less than half of 1% of small businesses in the United States are actually selling to the government. There are over 30 million small businesses in the US. Less than 1% of them are selling to the US government. So what that means for you is there's a tremendous opportunity. You've got the largest purchaser of goods and services in the world that has to buy from small businesses, and fewer small businesses every year trying to sell to the government.